Some foods should never be reheated, as doing so can lead to food poisoning or even more serious health issues. In today's busy world, using leftover food for a quick lunch or evening meal is very common. People often store their leftovers in the fridge or freezer and reheat them when needed. While this is usually safe, some foods can become dangerous when reheated. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of the foods that can become hazardous if reheated. The primary reason for this is the growth of harmful bacteria. If cooked potatoes are left at room temperature for an extended period, bacteria that cause botulism, a severe form of food poisoning, can develop. Wrapping potatoes in foil increases this risk. Even if you reheat the potatoes to a high temperature, these bacteria may not be destroyed. Botulism is one of the most potent natural toxins and can be fatal even in small amounts. Scientific tip: to prevent this risk, consume potatoes immediately after cooking or store them in the fridge and preferably eat them cold. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are another food that should be reheated with caution due to their specific proteins. These proteins can break down and cause digestive issues if the mushrooms are not stored properly or if they are reheated. Leaving mushrooms at room temperature for an extended time can accelerate this process. Some species of mushrooms may contain toxic compounds that can become activated when reheated. Scientific tip: if you must reheat mushrooms, heat them to at least 438 degrees Fahrenheit 226 degrees Celsius or, preferably, eat them cold. Chicken. Reheating chicken can also be dangerous. The protein structure in chicken changes after being reheated, which can lead to digestive problems. Additionally, if chicken is not thoroughly reheated, dangerous bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter, which can cause food poisoning, may survive. Salmonella is one of the most common causes of food poisoning worldwide and can cause serious complications. Scientific tip: when reheating chicken, ensure that each piece reaches at least 174 degrees Fahrenheit 79 degrees Celsius. Also, do not store cooked chicken in the fridge for more than 3 days. Rice. Rice is another food that can pose serious risks if reheated. Cooked rice that is left at room temperature may harbor Bacillus cereus, a bacteria that can produce toxins. These toxins are heat resistant and may remain even after reheating, leading to food poisoning. According to researchers, Bacillus cereus can cause gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea and vomiting within a few hours of consumption.
Scientific tip: after cooking rice, refrigerate it immediately, and when reheating, ensure it is evenly and adequately heated. Eggs. Eggs, especially when boiled or fried, can become dangerous if reheated. Cooked eggs that sit at room temperature for too long create an environment conducive to salmonella growth. Reheating eggs can also alter their proteins, potentially leading to digestive issues. Scientific tip: consume cooked eggs immediately and, if necessary, store them in the refrigerator and eat them cold. Spinach and leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables like spinach contain nitrates, which can turn into harmful compounds such as nitrosamines when reheated. Nitrosamines are formed when nitrates combine with amines under heat, and these compounds are known to be carcinogenic. Scientific tip: it's better to consume leafy vegetables fresh and avoid reheating them. In general, it's best to consume certain foods immediately after cooking and avoid reheating them to prevent the risks of food poisoning and digestive problems. Thank you for watching. If you found this program helpful, please give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments section, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be the first to know when we upload new content.